Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the operating system and that you have admin rights. This matters because some corporate policies lock wallpaper changes. Once done, close active apps so settings commit cleanly, and make sure you can access the Settings app. On Windows, go to Settings, then Personalization. On Mac OS, open System Settings and choose Desktop and Screensaver. You're now at the interface that lists current wallpapers, themes, and sync options. This is where removal begins, step by step. You now remove the wallpaper file and stop any automatic restoration. First, select a neutral option like a solid color or the system default. That immediately replaces the custom image. Next, turn off wallpaper sync in your cloud or account settings so it won't reapply. Then locate the actual image. Check Pictures, Downloads, or App Data Themes folder on Windows. On Mac OS, inspect /pictures or the System Photo Library. Delete the file or move it to an external folder to ensure it stays. Finish by restarting your laptop so the new setting and cache updates take effect. This also ensures thumbnails refresh. If the removed wallpaper returns, check for group policy, mobile device management, or a corporate profile that enforces backgrounds. If present, you'll need IT to change it. You can also run disk cleanup and clear the thumbnail cache to remove stubborn previews. If a local file reappears, search for duplicates and remove them. If all else fails, contact support with your policy details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.